welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today we're going to be installing our Baja Design Squadron Sports on our Sequoia, and these are going to be getting mounted on to our ditch light brackets. And let's see what's inside the box. Now, this is the two lights and the wiring harness combo I ordered. It runs you about, $240, I think, something like that. So it comes with the registration card for the lights itself and for the warranty. And also it comes with the Baja Design sticker. And of course, those beautiful, beautiful lights. I'm not gonna lie, these are just amazing. Baja Designs, I mean, they do the best quality work as far. I know these are not the pros, those are sports, but I'm not, professional going out there all the time. So the sports is enough light power for me. Yeah, so what comes in is, of course, you got both your lights here, and then let me take these out. So you got your lights, and then of course your wiring harness. And this is the wiring harness that has the switch on it and everything. I'll show y'all how to wire this up. And of course you get your brackets and extra male plugs. So let's go ahead and start installing these on the Sequoia. I can't wait. It's gonna look amazing. So let's get started. So we're gonna look at the wiring harness and what all comes in this whole bundle and how to wire it up, kinda. I'll show y'all exactly how to wire up, but I just want to show y'all also how what comes in, because not a lot of people talk about the wiring harness itself, and I think it's one of the most important things, especially if you're trying to put two dish lights and make them to one connection, if you have an S-pod or not, because you don't want to run separate wires and then try to meet them up. So this wiring harness is what comes with the kit, but we're gonna see what is in this wiring harness, and I think it's very important. This is the Baja Design connectors. Those are the males, and then the lights themselves, they have a female. And this wiring harness is what comes with your kit. It comes with a switch and everything you need to wire up if you don't have a switch panel like I do. If you have a switch panel, then you're gonna have to order the Y-split, which I did not because I thought it came with it. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to de-pin this or cut these wires and just take these plugs. And what I'm gonna do is have connectors like these. I bought them on Amazon. I'll put the link for everything I'm gonna use, and I'll make my own Y-split and connect these to the Y-split and then run it to my S-pod. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is mount the brackets to the light, so we can mount it to the dish light brackets. And it comes with two bags, identical, one per light. So as you can see, this is one package. So you're gonna go on one light, and then the other one is gonna go on the other light. So let's go ahead and start putting those together. All right, now we're gonna mount the ditch lights to the ditch brackets right here. And I'm sorry about the wind if it's windy. It's fairly simple. All you need to do is just take this nut off and put it over here, and then tighten everything back up. So this is the wiring harness, part of the wiring harness that Baja Design gives you. At the end of it is gonna be a male plug that is gonna go into a female like this. So this was attached here, and I used one side of it, and I ended up making my own Y-split, because the Y-split they have is you gotta pay 50 bucks. I've done all this under 20 bucks, and I added more insulation to it and to all the wiring inside the engine bay. So I didn't want to pay the 50 bucks, so I decided, well, I'll order some more connectors from Amazon and make my own Y-split, and that way I could tuck my wire and get the perfect length without having anything. So this side is going to attach to the passenger side light, and then it's going to run all the way to the driver's side. The driver's side is going to be short, and then I am going to attach it to this female right here, and then I made this a male, and then this way is gonna connect to my switch panel. So I'm gonna show y'all how I put it in the engine bay. Yeah, but instead of paying 50 bucks, I made all this for 20, and it looks so much better than the one they actually give you. So as you can see, you really can't tell what's the wiring for the lights or the switch panel. So I put this braided sheathing on top of the red wire and just kind of cleaned it up. As you can see, all over it's hidden. Here's the wiring that I did for the Squadron Sports. What I did is that small piece attaches here and then attaches here, and then this wire runs and attaches to the switch panel. But the thing that I love is these things right here. I got those on Amazon, and as you can see, it runs all the way across, and the glue that is gonna stick to the metal is pretty strong, and that way you can organize your wiring without, you know, having it laid over or tucked under somewhere. Just put it out of the way, stick it, and then you could route a bunch of wires whenever you need them for, you know, your roof rack or whatever wiring you got. And it just cleans up the engine bay. As you can see, I got them right here, I got them back here, and all on the firewall, and then attaches to the other Squadron Sport. Yeah, simple. I'll leave everything in the description. I'll put links for everything. You don't need to buy the $50 from Baja Design. It's just too expensive, and you could do this under 20 bucks. This is the braided line that I put around my cables, and it's a 1/4 inch. As you can see, it's small, but it stretches. Once you flare them out right like this, you push down on it and it'll stretch, and you could wrap it around, you know, your wire. So don't freak out on how small it is, because I did until I pushed it and it stretched out. It will cover your wiring. And also I bought this, as you can see, all those for the wires, so you can run them across your firewall. And it's just a clip like this that opens up, and you could put as many wires as you want. I think like maybe it'll take 4 or 5 wires, but for 8 bucks you get this many. And as you can see, I haven't even used 1 row of it. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description on everything. And if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up. See y'all next video.